Hi, in this video I will be showing you how to import digital notebooks and sticker books into Samsung Notes. First, open the file you downloaded from Etsy in your Files app and choose to open it with Samsung Notes. Inside you will find the links. Tap a link to go to Google Drive file, select the account you want to use. On Google Drive, tap the three dots and select Download. It may take a while, especially for sticker books since they are larger and contains many files. Just wait till the download is complete. Once it's finished, go back to your Files app and locate the downloaded file. It will have PDF extension if it is notebook or planner, but if it is a sticker book, then it will have a stock extension. Tap it, and if it doesn't open automatically in Samsung Notes, select Open As and choose Samsung Notes. Once your file is imported, select Open Book in the toolbar to activate hyperlinks, so you can easily navigate through the notebook or sticker book, as you can see. To move stickers, use the lasso tool. You can select stickers fully or partially, duplicate them, resize them, and move them as needed. In split screen view, you can copy and paste stickers into your planner easily. Select the sticker with the lasso tool, tap Copy, then go to your notebook and tap Paste. You can easily drag and drop stickers once you tap and hold and drag and drop into your planner. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time. Bye!